Hello, and today we are building the Christmas Village 2024 set Santa's Post Office. Let's get started. This is the completed build. First, we're going to look at the side builds. This is an elf riding a sled. Then we have this build with another elf, and it has like the signpost for the post office and the clubhouse on the workshop. Then we have this other elf minifigure, which has these pieces that are like to direct the hot air balloon. Then we have this Christmas tree built. Lastly, we have this other side belt, which is a fishing side belt, and it comes with a seal, which is adorable. On to the main build. We are going to look at the hot air balloon first. The hot air balloon comes with this figure that is driving the hot air balloon. He has two faces, a shocked face and then a smiley face. If you push the pin on top of the hot air balloon, it will push down on the light brick that is inside and turn it on, which is pretty cool. Here's a look on the back of the build. We have this other build that you can move around. And we have a Santa minifigure that comes with an envelope, and he can also hold his cup of coffee. You can also lift up the roof. Here's a closer look of all the detail inside. Overall, I think this is an amazing set and definitely worth the price, which is $100 USD. I think it's one of the better Winter Village sets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an amazing new year. Bye. Please like and subscribe.